Hi guys, so I'm doing a review of my mum's baklava, however you actually say it. This is actually drenched in syrup. I don't know what they are, so just like that. Alright. Let's try this.
Time to see how the UK managed centuries before we were part of the EU.
It tastes a bit like if you try like oatmeal in a packet. It tastes like that if like you've got a bit of like syrup and honey in there. It's really crunchy right outside here, so it's quite like crunchy. It's not extra, like it's really crunchy. It's like crunchy and soft at the same time. But if you can see the middle, you see that? Ooh. It's like there's no layer in the middle of the pastry, then that bit is really soft. But around there, I don't know if you could see this bit. It's a bit like oatmeal. I think it is oatmeal. Not really sure what they are, but it tastes good.
So 10 out of 10. What you rate?
A fat 10.
A fat 10. Thank you very much, my love. You can have another piece then.
I'm gonna put no weight on.
Nice.
Ooh. It tastes really like sugary. It's actually quite nice. If you actually feel like a bit, you know. This is extremely nice. Everyone should try it. The one that my mum made. Not just any baklava, my mum made it.
That's it, finish it. Thank you very much.
So clean too.